Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to analyze our data from the fast plant experiment and see if our results match Mendel's 9:3 to 3:1 ratio of offspring that you get for a dihybrid cross. So these are the numbers that I got from the end of the last video. The ratio is 9:3 to 3:1. So 9 of the offspring should have purple stems and dark leaves. 3 of the offspring should have white stems with dark leaves. 3 of the offspring should have purple stems with yellow or green leaves. And 1 of them should have both recessive traits popping up, the white stem plus the green or yellow leaves. Okay, that should be the ratio. So in my example of the seeds that I grew, I had a total of 52 offspring. All right, we're going to see how many of them should be purple, dark leaf, white, you get the rest, okay? So out of 52 offspring, so our ratio is 9:3 to 3:1. So 9 out of a total of 16 out of the 52 should have purple stems and dark leaves. So here you go. Here's how you figure out how many of the 52 that should be. So I've got my handy calculator here. I'm going to do 9 times 52 equals divided by 16. And let me try it again. 9 times 52 divided by 16 equals 29. Offspring should be purple stem, dark or purple leaf. That's how many. Okay, for the next ratio, 3 out of 16 times my total of 52. 3 times 52 divided by 16, 9.75. Okay, you can't have 0.75 individuals, so we're just going to round that off and say 10. 10 should be white stem, dark leaf. And then the next group right here should be the same number. Equals 10, because that's the same calculation. And that will be purple stem and green leaf. Green or yellow. And then finally we have 1 out of 16 times 52 equals, let's see how many that is. So it's 52 divided by 16, and we get 3.25 individuals, so we'll say 3, and they should have white stems and the green leaves. That should be how many you have in each category if your fast plants match Mendel's 9:3 to 3:1 ratio of offspring. So as a double check, I like to do this because we did round. 29 plus 23 is 52. All right, cool. We rounded off correctly. That's good enough. All right, now the question is that what you got? I will tell you right now, that is not what I got. And so why didn't I? Why did I get different numbers? Like I got fewer of these and more of these. Now this one, that number is pretty close. I had 22, and it says I should have 29. This says 10, I had 2. This says 10, I had 6. So that's pretty close. And this one says I should have 3 with white stems and green leaves, and I had 22 of those. That doesn't match up now, does it? So what could explain that difference between what Mendel said that I should get and what I did get? All right, first of all, think about how many seeds you actually grew. You grew 52 seeds. Maybe that's not a good number to get a good ratio from. Maybe you have to grow a whole lot more, and that would be my guess. We're getting these from Carolina Biological. I don't know who's putting them together in the packets, but you could see how tiny those seeds were and how very few we grew. So that would be a pretty good explanation for this. But anyway, that's how you do the calculation. If you need any help, just let me know. All you have to do is email me. Remember that.